Concerns for optimal development. This is one of these videos I need to get back on the table and start explaining these things. I just don't have time for that to set it up. But anyway, I'm going to see what I can do today, but I'm slammed with the webinar and clinic time. There's deviations within the milestones. Yes, you have rolling over. It's not optimal. Head's coming down. You don't have that pubic bone strike. Didn't grab the feet. That's why you didn't come in sitting through the back. And so the rolling over and pushing through and pushing into sitting, and that's where you're getting the awkward leg positions, because to push up to sitting and come up from the belly, that's a problem there. And also too, the vision's not getting out. You can see a hardcore when she's in standing where the left eye is coming in. The frustration that you're having is valid. This government now is saying that no baby should get evaluated for development until 9 months out. And so that's why your doctor is just like, it's not 9 months yet. You know, this is what the government's telling me to do. Meanwhile, your child's developing in a way that's not optimal and is just figuring things out. The pubic bone strike course is in the support groups, as well as the coming to sitting. And that's where I would just really concentrate on. Also too with the standing, see when the pubic bone strike doesn't kick in right, so that's why the standing is away, you know what I mean, versus against. When she stands against something, it should be against the table, right? It shouldn't be away from the table. And also too, the coming to standing through the toes. I know I have a video that I did this on, but again, these are the things, because she's not using that pubic bone strike pelvis to go up and to go down. So again, this is where she's getting so wobbly and shaky. And I'm saying she, I apologize if it's not. I'm looking just at the one video and just talking. So that's what your concerns are. Pubic bone strike. I would do probably my pre-walking, pre-standing course. But you really need better foundations in the milestones, and that's why. And then also too, with that eye, the weight's coming in, you definitely need to go to ophthalmologist, have a retinoscopy done. My free course, Vision in Your Child, has the tips for an ophthalmologist, and it tells you what to do for your examination. And that's really important. If you're not getting referenced out, this is your child. Get a new pediatrician. You know what I mean? But right now, I'm telling you right now, with the locomotion that you have, this is a type of child, huge falling through the cracks, because you have locomotion and they're going to say everything's fine. You know, they're getting it. You know, all kids are different, but it's fine. But you're right. Not one milestone that is being performed right now is optimal. And it's just those little deviations are starting to come here. And, you know, why should your child be struggling in reading and you know, all that sort of stuff later on? So I'm with you. The Worried Parent Support Program will get you all the courses that I have, so you can go back and do foundational work. But if we're just doing the one course, it would be the pre-standing, pre-walking course. Thanks.